Hi mga friends, mga kapotential. So, this is the book of John Maxwell, the Maxwell Daily Reader. So, ang lesson natin today is the law of connection. So, sabi niya, the stronger the relationship you form with followers, the greater the connection you forge. And the more likely your followers will be there to want to help you. Whether you're speaking in a large audience or just chatting along the hallway, the guidelines are the same. So, kumbaga, big crowds, small crowds have the same principle. Principle number one is connect with yourself. So, friend, yung first audience natin or our first customer is ourselves. So, you must know who you are and have confidence in yourself if you decide to connect with others. So, we could not navigate other people if hindi pa natin navigate yung self natin. So, yung una natin kilanan is ourselves. Strengths, weaknesses, our hobbies, our goals in the future, where do you want to go. Yun yung mga dapat we have to find out so that we can lead others too. Number two is communicate with openness and sincerity. Nothing is more effective than sincere, accurate praise, and nothing is more lame than a cookie cutter compliment. So, we have to be careful kasi baka nagko-compliment tayo just on the surface or hindi pa totoo. So, that's worse kasi kumbaga binobola natin or we're not communicating right if we are not telling the truth about the strengths or weaknesses of a person. So, we have to balance yung purpose natin, why we have to tell the truth, or sabi nga, openness and sincerity. Number three, know your audience. So, this is very important kasi kung hindi natin kilala yung audience natin, we do not know if we are communicating with them yung ating message kasi hindi natin alam ano ba sila o sino ba sila and if our message is fit for them or do they need our message. So, sabi nga, learn people's name, find out about their histories and about their dreams, speak to what they care about. Yan siguro, medyo isa tayo sa guilty yan. So, dami kasi ng people that we encounter, parang sometimes we cannot memorize all their names. So, parang napapag-mix mo na yung faces or somebody looks like this. Parang you know their face pero don't know their names kasi you deal with different companies. Hindi lang isang company yung sineserve natin eh. So, yun, that's one of our challenge also, yung memorizing names. Number four, leave your message. Practice what you preach. That's where credibility comes from. So, yung po a leader or a research person, parang we have that responsibility na kung ito yung lessons or advocacy natin, parang people should treat that to us. Kasi kung hindi, yung credibility nga daw po natin will be affected. Number five, go to where they are. So, yan. Saan ba yung chosen people natin? Siyempre, we tend to navigate towards that kasi or else hindi natin maintindihan the environment where they operated. Number six is focus on them, not yourself. So, ang sinasabi naman ito is not focusing on our own needs but the needs of our people. Sabi niya, the number one problem of inexperienced speakers and ineffective leaders is they tend to focus on themselves. So kaya nga nagkakaroon tayo ng mga ego or mga oversized ego of leaders. Parang tingin nila sila nilang yung right, hindi nila nakikita yung members nila kasi yun, they focus on themselves, not on their members or team leads. Number seven is believe in them. It's one thing to communicate to people because you believe you have something of value to say. It's another to communicate because you believe they have value. So yan, siyempre, we have to believe the people under us or we are mentoring or ministering kasi otherwise, paano natin ma-put through kung ano man yung goals ng organization natin or company kasi on our end, mag-isa tayo, we cannot achieve yung goals ng company natin or ministry work. We need our people to help us to deliver ng mga expectations sa ating mga stakeholders. Number 8 is offer direction and help. So, leaders are dealers in hope. Ayan. So, Siyempre, yung isa sa expectation for us being leaders is giving them a vision. Saan ba tayo papunta? Where are we going? How do we plan to go there? Dun sa kung ano man yung destination that we are creating or envisioning for them. So, intentionally connect with the people you lead today. So, yan, yun yung ating challenge for our leadership journey. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.